Hi everyone, it's Kay here, back to do some videos. I've been having a break from YouTube because I felt that I was getting a bit overwhelmed and with projects I needed to finish, and I was just not well for there for a bit. So anyway, I'm back to share some journals that I've been making, I've made. So this is my sort of Peter Rabbit type Easter spring type thing. Got this really lovely kit called Garden Critters. I can't remember the name of the Etsy shop. If I remember, I'll put the link below. So there's my cover, spine, and it sort of flips open like this with a little journaling card there. Sort of flipped over more than that, but that's alright, so there still can be written on. And I used all this sort of really colourful lace along the side. I wish that wouldn't do that. So let's start off with, and it goes silly. I did use a little golden book, a Beatrice Potter Peter Rabbit book for the cover. So that's why that's there like that. And I just used different digitals that I had around the place, not digital, books that I used around the place. This is from a herb book, just to sort of supplement the kit. I tried to just do some stamping. So this is from a little, I think this is from a little book I had, A Tale of Two Rabbits, Flopsy and Mopsy, or whatever it was, and some, you can see I've done this for a while. I've lost word already. So this is a little gardening card. Just punch the edge of that. Some wallpaper. This is a tag I've had for a while. Lift that out to create a long place for writing. It was from Beatrice Potter book. This is from the kit that I got. This is gorgeous. It's from one other Beatrice Potter. I think it was this Tale of Flopsy and Mopsy. Oh, that's come out, so I have to put something on there. Why does that come out? Oh, it just broke, I think. This is from a big book. So I just put something there to remind me to fix that. And a little tuck spot. Cute little rabbit. Peter Rabbit on this one. Edith Holden page. Some little character from the kit, and this is just an envelope just for fun. Popped it there. Wallpaper, and this does look like his name, but that was like the picture in the book. So Peter Rabbit's hopping down from the barn and knocked over some pots. There's Peter Rabbit getting out from the fence. I thought I'd try and sort of tie the two together, but I don't know if I did it very successfully. So this is a over the page envelope with something inside. This is from a herb book again. So is this one. So I just tried to sort of nature, creatures. And normally I put these envelope things at the back, but I've decided to put it in here today, in this page for a change. So this is a decorated envelope. This is with wallpaper. There's a wallpaper with some things from the kit again, and this is something I had in my stash for a while that I thought went well. I'd love to know where, I can't remember where I got that from. So cute, it was gorgeous. I love the colours on that, but I can't remember where I got it from. That's terrible, because I've had it stay in my stash for ages. Just a journaling card. Project Life. Some stickers I had in my stash that I keep forgetting that I've had. So this is from Witchcraft You Do digital. Little lace sample. Because these are one of those Easter stickers that I had in my stash. This is just a colouring in sheet, just for fun. I did some sewing, as you can see. I'm branching out my sewing. This is just an over the page decoration. again from the herb book, another herb book page. This is a pocket here, so there's something in the pocket. Isn't this is gorgeous? I love it. Isn't it gorgeous? So cute. This is a envelope. This is an original Easter postcard that I had in my stash, so I popped it in there. Because they've got some Easter things in there, but not a lot. This is an Easter card, obviously, that I had in my stash. Edith Holden page, another Project Life card I've had in my stash for a while and I thought would work well in this journal. And this is just a little notebook, I think, from memory. Oh, if I can remember. Oh no, it's a little envelope. Sorry. I've made this one ages ago, so I just haven't got around to filming it. There's another fun thing there. I'll show you properly. So it's just a little calendar with the colours. Seem to be making a lot of blue journals. I think it's because blue is my favourite colour, but there just pops a lot of colour in this one. This is just some fun things there. Another journaling card in this part here, using something from the kit, the digital kit. I think it's called Garden Critters, but I can't remember because I can't remember the name of the shop. So there's the back of the book that I used, and I just created a new spine. So that's my Peter Rabbit Shades Easter one. And this is one I've just finished. This is a sage green from is it Chapter 1 Papers, or is it from Ink and Page? I'll have to have a look. Again, I'll put the link below if I remember. So I really enjoyed making this one. I used a genuine vintage piece of linen for the cover, and made the tie using some eyelets. And this is what I cut off, these bits that I put on the edges here, because it was like attached to that there, but it was just too wide, so I cut it off. So yes, I wasn't sure how to fix this on the inside, so I don't know if that's going to be a problem or not. Probably should have thought of something else, but I don't know what. Anyway, so there's a page from a poetry book. I love that image. It's just, I love the colours of this. It's just my thing. This is from a encyclopedia. A lot of these things are from my stash. Edith Holden page. Sorry, I just totally lost it. This is from Wildflowers of South Australia, the Adelaide Hills page. This is just a journaling card that was in the kit. Just love those soft sort of tones. Made a pocket here out of a little book. The pages out of a little book, I should say. It's just gorgeous. I love it. I just love those colours. This muted colours. I think I've decided this is my thing. These soft muted colours. I think I might be doing more. Got a new stamp, so I've been using it a bit. Some journaling cards. And I've just left these free to be put in by someone if somebody wants this journal. I've closed my Etsy shop, so if you want anything that I'm showing you today, you have to send a message through here. Not send a message, write down in the description box or send me a message through Facebook. I've closed my Papercraft with Kay Facebook group as well. So just I'm under my name Kay Forder. So these are just some tags that I've got here. Oh dear. Just put that there. So we'll put that there because it's stuck. But we'll unstick it with some gentle levering in a minute. So just did a round page belly band here and a tuck spot there. Just beautiful. I didn't decorate a lot of these things because I just felt to keep them natural the way they were. Just gorgeous, gorgeous images. I think this one needs something, maybe some stamping. I think maybe after all that, some writing paper in there. Got stamping on that one. Probably should stamp on that one. I think I showed you the stamp that I got for that. Got it from Which Craft You Do. Just looked in up under flourishes, so I'll leave that out to do something here. So this is an over the page thing as well. Using those, you know, those packets you get with your cutlery when you go out. That's what I've used here. Just covered it up. Again, not overly decorated, just enough. This one folds out this way. Just flip up. And I just went over the page and carried the tuck spot on this side. Did you see those pages? That's gorgeous. And then you've got this beautiful Edith Holm book page as well. Some more things from the kit. Beautiful. This one actually opens up. Just realised I've got nothing in. Oh yes, I have got something in there. I've put something in there. So double thing there. So just a tuck spot on this side. Pocket, whatever you want to call it, really. And this one is a bit different. This is a, oh no, it's broken. Got to fix that. Maybe you have to use some matte medium or something. It's come undone. There's a pull out for that one, and it goes over these little pages to write on. So I've got to fix this up. It was fine when I looked at it yesterday, so something's happened. And that's my sage green journal, along with my nature creatures journal. Two totally different ones. Thank you for sharing these with me today. Please take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.